Disclaimer: this video is created for educational and informational purposes only. The solutions shared here are based on common technical scenarios and may vary depending on device model, app version, or server condition. For official assistance, please contact the respective app support team. Many users are facing issues where their Facebook page suddenly disappears, shows error messages, or becomes inaccessible. Reasons: first reason can be copyright or intellectual property violation reports. Second, Facebook policy violation or community guideline issues. Third, temporary server or account sync error. Fourth, app bug or corrupted cache files in your device. Solutions: 1. Check your support inbox or page quality section. 2. Submit an appeal request to Facebook if your page was removed by mistake. 3. Update Facebook app from Play Store, App Store. 4. Clear Facebook app cache and storage. 5. Try logging in from another device or browser. 6. Wait if it is a temporary Facebook server issue. After applying these methods, your Facebook page issue should be resolved, or you will get proper update from Facebook regarding your page status.